Here's how to turn off cell data for apps on the iPhone. We got to go to settings to do this. So find your settings app and then find cellular. Inside of here, we scroll down a little bit and we'll start to see some apps. But really, well, actually go ahead and turn off what you want here if you'd like. So I'm going to turn off these. But really, to see all your apps, you're going to click show all. And so you'll want to scroll down. You'll actually see them sorted by usage, so how much data they've been using. And you can turn things on or off here. So you can actually toggle everything off if you want to. And that will just turn off all the cell data for any app on your iPhone. Which I generally turn it off for everything except for what I want or what I need to use cell data or what's useful to me. Because not everyone has unlimited data, right? That's how you can turn off cell data for apps on the iPhone.